So guys, today we have to continue. Let me share the book. We have to continue our activity 1, the animal cell, right? Already we finished in the previous activity about the plant cell. No need to repeat the same information. We did about
Miss, which page?
about the 3 kinds of cells. Today we have to continue the activity 1 about the animal cell. What we did last time, we explained how we can see an animal cell. We said the animal cell for plant, from the animal or from the people. So both we call them animal cell. And also we observed through the microscope an animal cell. These everything that we did it in the previous session. Okay, بس هنعمل like revision. So also during observation we drew together an animal cell and we put the main parts of the animal cell from the sheet. Okay, now we have.
Can you repeat because I didn't listen anything?
Only we did like a revision, so you can review or you can see the recording. Okay, بعد ما قلنا شيء something new. Now we have to okay, yeah, I think I have
Miss, which?
activity 1 about the animal cell. No need to open it. No need to open it. Okay, because I prepared like a video. I prepared like PowerPoint. We have to discuss the points on them. Okay, no need to open your book now. Actually, when we say animal cell, okay, animal cell, قلنا from the people or from the animals. Everything are taken from people or animals. We call it animal cell. Let me use the whiteboard. Let me start my explanation with 2 definitions. We have 2 definitions. We have something what we call, okay, let me start. I have here something what we call unicellular organism. Please think what the meaning of unicellular organism. And I have something else what we call multicellular organism. Okay, I have these 2 definitions. Basically, our lesson is based about these 2 definitions. You have to know these 2 definitions before start explanation. Unicellular organism. Let's start with this term. Yes, Zahra Nasrallah. تفضلي. What the meaning of unicellular organism?
Can we say it's like only one cell?
Exactly. Uni in science, uni means one. Okay? Uni means one. Cellular means cells. Organism يعني living thing. Okay? So when we say unicellular means it's made up of only one cell. Who can give me example about something living thing? Pay attention. Living thing يعني can able to move, maybe able to eat, to grow, everything, like anything. So but it's made up of one cell. Who can tell me like an example? Yes, يا عباس كريم.
Miss, can you repeat because the net was going a lot.
يلا هلا عم نرجع بنعمل like revision. يلا wait يا سلام.
Okay.
بس let me. Yes يا لمار.
Is paramecium.
Okay, great. Do you know what the meaning of paramecium? Okay. علي طاووس.
Yes, it's like a living thing living in wood or something.
Okay, great. علي طاووس.
Bacteria.
Okay, excellent. Selena, listen to us. We started our lesson with unicellular organism. Unicellular organism and multicellular organism. Uni in science, when you see uni, Okay, uni, not ani. Okay, uni. When we say unicellular, it means uni يعني one, single. We can say one or single. Single شو?
Okay.
Single cell.
Yes,
Right?
okay.
Okay.
Yes.
There are a lot of living things are made of one cell only. Actually, did you remember about the pulp, the pulp of the banana, green onion,
Yeah.
about the sheik? We saw infinity numbers of cells, right? When we did for the sheik, how many cells did you see under the microscope?
A
A
lot.
lot.
A lot,
A
many.
lot.
Yes, exactly, a lot.
Yes.
We cannot count
A
them,
lot.
right? Yes,
Yes.
we cannot count them. But
Infinity.
there are a lot of things, are living things. They are made up only of one cell, single cell. Any living things made up of one cell, this is what we call unicellular organism. Clear what the meaning of unicellular?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. One single? Single.
Yes.
Single means one. Type. What the meaning
Yes.
of multicellular organism? Please raise your hand.
A lot of cells.
A lot. A lot.
Raise
A
your
lot of
hand.
A lot of cells, which is
لا
infinity.
we can't learn like that. Please raise your hand. Yes يا لارين.
Multicellular. Uh,
Yes, what the meaning of
it,
multicellular organism?
it means that infinity of cells.
Yes,
There
high
are a lot.
number. Yes, exactly. Means many cells. Who can give me example about living things made up of many cells? High number of cells.
Yeah.
Please raise your hand. Raise your hand. Batul Iskaf.
Green onion.
Yes, excellent. Green onion. علي شقير. علي شقير. Yes.
Yes, yes. An animal cell.
Yes, excellent. From animal cell. Pia.
Red blood cells.
Yes, يعني from the people. Yes, exactly. عصام.
The banana cell.
Banana cell. نور علاو. Excellent.
Green onion cell.
Yes, excellent. We have okay.
Can I do? Can
Great.
I answer, please?
Tamar, sorry, نور علاو. نور علاو.
I told you.
Okay, Leah.
Human cell.
Yes, human cell. عباس كريم. Excellent, Leah.
All animal cells.
Yes, excellent. لمار السبلاني.
Banana pulp.
Yes, excellent. نور ظاهر.
Green plant cells.
Yes, excellent. Okay.
Can
Luna.
Yes, a red onion cell.
Yes, سلانا. سلانا عم تعمل سبورت حسيتك يا سلانا. هاتي يا سلانا بليز. Yes. Perla. Okay. Perla.
Green onion cell.
Yes. We have
Plant.
yes, exactly.
Plant.
Yes, يا زهراء نصر الله. Do you want to add something? Please don't repeat the same.
Can we say white blood cells?
Yes, from the people. From the people. Yes. Wali Tawuz, the last answer.
Okay, so potato cells.
Okay, excellent. So this is what we learned about the multicellular organism. Any organism is made up of high number of cells, many cells. We can't count them. All your examples are right. This is what we did in the previous sessions about the banana, green onion, okay? So animal cell from the sheep. So you have to keep in your mind when we say this organism, multicellular organism, means it's made up of many cells. Let me ask some students. Okay. Lamar Hamoud, did you hear me, Lamar, or Manessa Slim? Lamar? Maybe. Okay. Ali Bob. Who's Ali Bob?
Ali Amhaz.
Okay. Ali Amhaz, if you please,
Ali
change your name. Yeah,
Amhaz
okay.
يا مس.
Okay. Change your name.
Ali Amhaz.
Yeah, please, you have to change your name. Okay? Okay.
Now
علي أمهز بما أنك رديت علي ورديت علي. First, you have to change your name because here your name is Ali Bab. Okay? علي أمهز, you have to write علي أمهز. طيب, let me ask you this question. نستغل الفرصة. علي أمهز, what about the people? They are multicellular organism or unicellular organisms? What do you think?
unicellular organism.
We are unicellular organism.
Yes.
طب what's the meaning of unicellular organism? Ammar, do you agree we are a unicellular organism?
No.
No. Why no?
Because we have many organs like the brain, the lungs,
Okay,
and
what do organs made up of?
um, they are made of
Yes. All the organs, what do they made up of?
Miss, can I answer?
Wait a second.
Muscle.
Actually, any organ, what does it made up of? Let me stop sharing the book because some students are... Let me stop. Okay. Yes. Yes. What the meaning of... Yes, يا لارم.
What's the meaning of
Multicellular organism. Ammar said something very important, by the way.
cell?
Cells, exactly. So يا عمار نحن always we look and we focus about the cells. We don't focus about the organs. Okay, many cells. Great. Okay. So, okay, great. Yeah. So we have unicellular organism, multicellular organism. So of course the people, all the people are multicellular organism. Okay, let me start show you something. Okay, it is disabled. So now you cannot draw on the screen. Let's start about, I will show you, okay, a PowerPoint first, then a video. I will show you an organism. Imagine that we have an organism. This organism is made up of one cell only, one cell. But this organism can do everything. Can do everything. How? Can do like the multicellular organisms. Okay? Look, you will surprise about this thing. Let me share it with you. This PowerPoint. Okay. Did you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Great.
Yes.
Okay. If you
Rose is saying
Yes,
in the
yes.
okay, okay,
I can hear you.
good. If you didn't, maybe you have like a bad connection, so I'm recording. Never mind, you can go back to the recording. Okay. Zahra, Selena, and Ali Sh'er. Okay. Wait a second. Let me explain this point, and if you have some answers, you can answer. Okay. Yeah. First of all, you have to bring like an plate or a jar. Okay, plate or a jar or beaker, be another word. You have to put inside it water, and you have to put inside it like iodine solution. Already we took it in order to see well through the microscope. You have to bring like a pieces of let me put here like a piece of green leaves. or you have to put like kinds of leaves or dry leaves, and you have to close the jar very well. Okay, so only you have to put water, you have to put some hay, pieces of leaves, okay, anything from the plants, and you have to close the jar and put it in the closet, for example. Why you have to put it in the closet? Do you know?
Or
Why we have to put it in something? Yes. Yes, yeah, Selena. Selena. Type. Maybe she didn't hear us. Zahra Nasrallah, why we have to put it in the closet?
Yes, Miss. First, my internet is not good. Can we say مثلا to make it I don't know مثلا dry or in case not the light to
Excellent. This is what we need. Actually, we have to put it in the
yes, Miss.
closet, place in order to protect it from the light, in order to prevent the light from entering. Excellent. Then we have to put it like an yes, we have to put it for 1 week, 2 weeks, okay, in the closet. We have to protect it from the light, okay. After 2 weeks, okay, we bring this jar. As you see here, we have materials already. We explained about them. Yani, what do you need in order to do the experiment? Procedure, yani the steps. Yani, first you take these leaves, you put inside the jar, you put it in the water, you close the jar very well, and put it in the closet or in any dark place. Okay, then after 2 weeks, what do you want to do? You take this jar, you open it, and you take only like a from the surface by using the dropper, okay, and something to take from it. Where you have to put them? Do you know where you have to take these drops? Who can tell me why we have to take these drops?
me.
Let me. Okay, okay. I need some another students, by the way, to share. Yes يا حسين الجمال. حسين ما عم بسمعك، إذا كذا سيشن ما عم بسمعك. حسين. حسين. طيب. جاد صوان.
Miss Farah.
Wait a second, please. جاد صوان. جاد صوان. What is جاد؟ كمان جاد ما عم بسمعه كتير قليل يا جاد عم بسمعك أنا. I need Emma Rose. Emma Rose.
Miss Emma Rose said in the comment that she can't hear you.
كمان maybe she had like a internet.
Miss Farah.
Okay. طيب I hope يا Emma إنه to watch the recording. Okay. Yes, yeah. Please don't say Miss Farah because I have to give another chances for the students.
No, Miss. Can you say the question?
Why we have to take drops from the jar? What is the objective from that? We have to take some drops from the jar, from the surface of the jar. Why we have to take these points or these drops? Type. Pia, yes, yeah, Pia. Why we have to take these drops?
To put them under the microscope.
Excellent, yeah, Pia. Bravo. Of course, we have, in order to do microscopic observation, this is what we learned. We have to do microscopic observation through the microscope. So we have to take like a few drops in order to do what we call microscopic observation. Excellent. Look what you can see. Let me stop sharing this PowerPoint and to share with you the video. Let me close all of these in order to see. Okay, yeah. Look. This without sound, by the way. Okay, only you have to see. You will see like this. This is what I posted on Google Classroom.
Yes, I feel like they're insects.
Actually, hello. Yeah.
Yes, I watched the video.
Okay, so it's the same. We can see through the microscope when we are doing microscopic observation like this. Do you know each one from these we call it paramecium? We call it, what do we call it?
Paramecium.
Paramecium.
Yeah. Do you know the
Paramecium.
group of paramecium? We can't say parameciums. The plural is not parameciums. So we have paramecia and we have paramecium. So one from these, we call it paramecium. The group, all of them, we call it paramecia. يعني أنتو you can see paramecium, singular, paramecia, plural. Okay? So you will see through the microscope, how many paramecia did you see through the microscope?
A lot.
Many.
A lot.
These are a lot. Guys, okay, perfect. So do you know, look to these paramecia. Who can tell me what are the characteristics of these paramecia? What can they do here? Yes, Yash'er? Yes, Yash'er? Look, tell me some characteristics about them. Who can tell me some characteristics? Yes, ya Manassa Slim. Did you hear me, ya Manassa?
Yes.
Yes, ya Manassa. Tell me about these paramecia. What about the shape? What about the some characteristics? What can they do something through the microscope?
They are big and
Yeah.
others inside a small circle, but it's not
Okay.
very annoying.
Great.
And it's color gray.
Yes. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Do you know the paramecia have like an oval shape? This is what we call oval shape. Okay. The paramecium can able to do everything. Not only, as you see here, they are moving. Do you know the paramecia can move, as you see in the picture, can eat, can digest the food, can do anything like the multicellular cells. يعني أنتو you have inside your body multicellular cells. ما هيك؟ multicellular organism نحن. We are multicellular organism. While the paramecium, as you see, it's not a multicellular. يعني it's made up of one cell. paramecium كل واحدة من هولي it's made up of how many cells?
Unicell.
Unicell. So it's single cell. So that's why, because it's made up of one cell, it's unicellular organism. يعني its constituents, it's a unicellular cell. So that's why it's made up of one cell. Imagine that this one cell can able to do a lot of activities. ما حدا يفكر okay, only is made up of one cell يعني it can't do anything. No, it can move, it can digest the food, it can eat. Do you know also it can reproduce? What the meaning of reproduce? Do you know what the meaning of reproduce? What's the meaning of reproduction?
It can
Yeah,
grow
يعني
back again.
can look what
They can develop,
yes,
like,
exactly.
be
Do
so
you
many
Yes. Do you
by
know?
themselves.
Okay. Do you know the paramecium able to reproduce it quickly? What the meaning of reproduce it quickly? يعني it can one paramecium it can cut itself. رح نحكي عنهم بالreproduction later on in another chapter and give two paramecia. It's very quickly it can do like this procedure. Okay. We will talk about it later on. بس اللي بيهمني تعرفوا انتوا listen please because we don't have a lot of time. Okay, this is the paramecium. This paramecium, هيدي one paramecium. It's made up of one cell only. Look, it has looked like a hair. This hair, we call it cilia. Do you know for what these cilia? Do you know why does paramecium have cilia?
No.
Oh,
Protect itself
yeah.
to protect.
لا, cilia actually, the cilia, these cilia look like the hair in order to let the paramecium move inside the water. Decided to move. Look, what does it have also? It has like a nucleus. Look like what? A nucleus.
Miss, I didn't hear you.
You can watch the recording. Okay.
Miss, it has large
Vacuole.
nucleus.
Yeah, like
And
which one?
vacuole.
Which cell? It has like a large vacuole.
Onion cell.
Yeah, excellent. Like the plant cell. Excellent. Okay, perfect. So do you know it has vacuole in order to digest the food? It has cilia in order to move. Also, it has a nucleus. Type. Who can tell me what are the parts in common with the other cells that we did it, like the cheek, like the plant, like the green onion, etc. Yes, يا ملك زعيتر. Yes, يا ملك.
The common
Yes.
cells are cytoplasmic membrane,
Yeah.
nucleus,
Yes.
cytoplasm.
Yes. Excellent.
They are only three.
Yes, they are cytoplasmic membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. Okay, these are the main parts. مظبوط. These are the main parts of any cell, but also it has vacuole. But can we say for the vacuole it's a main part, يا عصام?
No.
No, it's not a main part. Exactly. Let me start. It's the paramecium. Let me stop sharing this one. Okay. Open your book to solve these quick questions. Already I will post them on Google Classroom. Okay. Okay. So as you see here in the book, as you see, they are putting like the same as PowerPoint, the procedure. Elna, pick out the two documents, the main constituents. You did it. Main constituents اللي هن cytoplasmic membrane, cytoplasm, and the nucleus اللي هن common between them. So in number 2, who wants to say number 2? Who wants to do number 2? Yes. Emma, do you want to do number 2? Yeah.
Miss, she said in the comment that she can't hear you.
Okay. يلا يا نور, read number 2, please. كمان we cannot only I'm working with some students يعني صاروا حافظتهم أنا. شقير، لونا، بتول، زهراء، بيا، بيرلا، لمار. في كمان عندي عمار، عندي كمان اوكي ملك، عباس كريم, but some students, لارين, okay, ليا, عصام, these students are working with me. But what about the others? طيب. Yes, يا نور, read number 2.
Justify that paramecium are
why they
unicellular.
Yes, why we put paramecium are unicellular organism? Already we explained.
Because paramecium have only single cell.
Excellent, because simple is made up of one cell. طيب, let me ask. Okay, Leia Toy. Yes, ya Leia?
Yes.
What about the organisms that's made up of many cells? What do we call them? Can we say for them unicellular?
No, it is multicellular.
Excellent, multicellular. طيب, Perla or Lamar that participated? Perla or Lamar?
It's Lamar.
Lamar. يلا يا Perla, please. Do number 3.
In your opinion, which organ allows paramecia to move in water?
Okay, Lamar is talking. يا Lamar. Lamar السبلاني.
No, it's Perla.
Okay.
Me.
Okay. The same. طيب. I think the same account. ولا لا مش the same account. Yes. Okay. Yes يا Lamar. Start reading.
You mean Perla?
مين اللي اشتغل من شوي معي؟ لامار or بيرلا؟
Lamar.
اوكي يعني now
Lamar.
بيرلا. يلا يا بيرلا.
Okay. In your opinion, which organ allows paramecia to move in water?
Which organ or which part of the paramecium allow what do we call this part that allow the paramecia to move, to swim in water? What do we call it? Cilia. Excellent. So we have the cilia allow it to move. So guys, keep in your mind, we have these a lot of unicellular organisms that is made up of one cell. مش يعني it's one cell, it can't do anything. No, like the paramecium, it can reproduce. يعني one paramecium will give many paramecia. Later on, we will talk about it. It can digest food, it can swim, it can move. But I want to ask you something, like extra. Does paramecium like the dark or the light? You can open the mic. Dark. Dark. So it doesn't. Yes, exactly. Yeah, exactly. So it
Miss, I
doesn't
have a
like
question.
yeah, it doesn't like the light. Guys, we still have less than 1 minute. I want to say something only. I will share with you the answers of number 1, 2, and 3. Okay, you have to study only number 2. Okay, I will add here the definition of multicellular